Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Shortcuts and tapping the plus icon. This immediately begins a new shortcut. Add your first action, pick an app or a system action like Open App or Get Current Location, because the initial action defines the flow. Once done, set the input and output types and give the shortcut a concise name so you can find it later. Make sure to test this first action with Run to confirm it behaves as expected before adding complexity. You now chain actions to implement the core logic. Use if, repeat, wait, or scripting actions to control flow because they turn simple steps into a robust process. Use variables and magic variable to pass data between actions. This avoids hardcoding values and makes the shortcut reusable. Once done, add conditional checks and basic error handling so the shortcut can skip or retry steps. Make sure to run the whole sequence and watch you finish by adding an activation method. Home screen icon, widget, Siri phrase, or automation trigger. Choose what fits your workflow because accessibility matters. Test the complete shortcut several times. Enable show while running to observe UI prompts and identify where it stalls. If something goes wrong, check permissions for apps, ensure variable types match expected inputs, and confirm action order. Often reordering fixes failures. Finally, prune unused actions and save a duplicate before big edits, so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.